I'm going to show you how to calculate mass ratios using your balanced chemical equations. They're similar to the mole ratio, so you may want to review the mole ratio video that we have on the site. Here we have a balanced chemical equation where we got 2 moles of lithium hydroxide combining with 1 mole of carbon dioxide to give us 1 mole of lithium carbonate and 1 mole of water. Now, to review the mole ratios, mole ratio of lithium hydroxide to carbon dioxide is 2 moles of lithium hydroxide to every 1 mole of carbon dioxide. And you could do that for every pair. For instance, carbon dioxide to lithium carbonate, that's 1 mole of carbon dioxide for every 1 mole of lithium carbonate. That comes from the coefficients. Now, if you have a chemistry problem where the amounts of chemicals are given in moles, then you can use these mole ratios as conversion factors to figure out how many moles of the other chemical you have, such as lithium hydroxide to carbon dioxide. If you have a certain number of moles of lithium hydroxide, you use this conversion factor to determine how many moles of carbon dioxide you have. However, a lot of times you have chemistry problems where your masses of your chemicals are given in grams or in mass instead of moles, and so we need to figure out how to convert from one to another and use something other than your mole ratio for that. Alright, we got the same chemical equation. So the first thing you want to do is you want to calculate your molar masses. So lithium hydroxide has 1 lithium, 1 oxygen, and 1 hydrogen. That's 23.95 grams per mole. Carbon dioxide has 1 carbon and 2 oxygens. That's 44.01 grams per mole. The way you calculate your mass ratio is real simple. Since you had 2 moles of lithium hydroxide for every 1 mole of carbon dioxide, that's the same as 2 moles times 23.98 grams per mole, or 47.90 grams of lithium hydroxide. And that's for every 1 mole of carbon dioxide, which is 44.01 grams per mole. And so this is what's called a mass ratio down here. And it tells you that for every 47.90 grams of lithium hydroxide that you're going to use, you'll use 44.01 grams of carbon dioxide to make this reaction go forward. And also, of course, since there's 23.98 grams for each mole of lithium hydroxide and there's 2 moles for every 1 of carbon dioxide, that tells you that you have 47.9 grams, which is 2 moles of lithium hydroxide, for every 44.01 grams, which is 1 mole of carbon dioxide. So this is a simple way to convert from your mole ratios and get your mass ratios so that you can solve chemistry problems that use masses instead of moles.